Kolejna część opowieści o zombie i walki z kretynami, z kretyniałymi debilami, którzy spoilerują. Będą dźwięki z placu, bo okno otwarte, bo temperatura nieludzka. Dobrze.
Well, they shouldn't be able to get through that. On the downside, we can't get through them. What are you looking at? Staring ain't polite.
What are you going to do?
Hand me that there.
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
I got nothing to lose. Other than my Piggly Wigglies, of course.
Bez jaj. Nieużnie.
Ugh, bleed out like a stuck pig. What are you gonna do? Carry me out of here on your back? Hell. Just give me a minute.
Try to get some rest. There's a lot of stuff in here. I'll try to find something to help.
Sytuacja jest taka, no Murzyn sobie nie dał odciąć i umarł. Co prawda nie od tego w zasadzie, ale no, fakty są takie, że umarł, no.
What's in there? Anything we can use?
Cygarety.
Give me one of those. Probably tastes like pine tar by now, but I'd smoke a dead coon's tail if you had one. You got a light?
Niech se zakurzy.
Well, that tastes about as bad as it smells.
Now what?
We wait.
Teraz będziemy się kisić w dymie papierosowym w wanie naokoło ze zombie. Świetnie. Ten już co? Ten już przemienion.
Don't be dead. Please.
Oh, damn it. I feel like 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound sack. Jesus. Stuck in this can the whole damn day. You want to hear something funny? I've been thinking. And I don't want to die. I never thought I'd be the kind of idiot to say something like that. But there it is. I'm scared, Clementine. Jesus, I'm scared.
You're going to be okay.
Oh, at least spare me the bedside bullshit.
Sorry.
Would you would you promise me you'll watch out for Nick? I love that stupid kid. No matter what you think, he is a good boy.
I'll do what I can.
Thank you. Been almost a day. They ain't gonna find us.
Where are you going?
Mogli się
I'm not getting out of
krwią
this.
wysmarować.
You're gonna have to make a break for it. I'll buy you some time.
You're coming with me
To do what? Die a couple hours later than now?
to say goodbye to Nick.
All right. I'll try. Well, like my daddy used to say, we're burning daylight. Let's get this over with.
Może przeżyje. Chociaż wątpię.
Go on now. Find my nephew.
Dobra, wydupiam.
Find him.
O, jest akcja. Jakaś taka tajemnicza akcja. Rozłam, czyli breakout. Albo break-up.
Clementine, are you alright? Luke's not with you?
Where's Alvin?
Dead.
What happened? It's been hours. Where
Dead.
are they?
We got attacked.
By who?
Walkers.
Jesus.
We all got split up. I was with Pete, but
Jesus.
Where were you? Where were you exactly?
down by the stream.
We gotta go.
Just hold on a minute.
My husband is still out there. Get the guns. Luke and Alvin went out looking for you. I told them not to go. Damn it, Luke.
Clementine, can you please watch Sarah? She's upstairs. Just distract her. And don't tell her anything.
I'll take care of her. You can trust me.
Thank you. You'll be safe inside. Just don't open the doors for anything. We'll be back soon. And thank you.
Ja tego trochę nie czaję, wiecie? Że ten dom w ogóle nie jest zabezpieczony w żaden sposób i całe zabezpieczenie to jest takie, że drzwi są
Say
zamknięte.
cheese! I found this under the house. There was all kinds of old stuff.
O. Babka od gąciarza.
It's so cool. Take one of me. Come on, take one of me.
Sure.
Ale ona jest ciulnięta w mózg, to jej wolno
Okay?
to robić. Te zdjęcia. Jej nie można,
Okay, I'm
jej,
ready.
nie można jej straszyć.
What's wrong? Where's my dad?
You should know what's going on.
He told you not to tell me, didn't he?
He is in trouble.
Oh my gosh. What happened? Clem?
Ja muszę jej
It'll be
kłamać.
fine. They're smart people.
Sorry, I just need to...
Świruje.
You want to see what I found? Will you show me how to use it? I couldn't find any bullets. If something's wrong, I should know. What if I have to use one?
E,
As
może,
long as you
możemy
don't tell your
postrzelać.
dad.
I won't, I promise.
First, remember, it's just a thing.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
I thought it'd be heavier. Okay. What do I do?
The most important thing is, don't pull the trigger. Squeeze it.
Why?
I don't know. You just do.
Okay.
W domu będą... Aha, bo to nie ma
What should I
naboi.
shoot?
Dobra.
Don't do that!
LOL.
Sorry, sorry. Maybe I could practice outside. There's that tree. Hey, Luke's back.
Gone fishing. Ej, ja tam chcę iść, bo tam jest korytarz. Nie mogę. Siema, Joziner.
That's not Luke. Clem, I think I know him. He can't see me. You have to make him go away. What?
Co?
Why can't he see you?
No.
Clem, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Shh.
Hello?
O co to chodzi?
Hello there.
Who are you?
Well, actually, I'm your neighbor.
Neighbor?
That's right. My family and I are set up a ways downriver. I'm kind of surprised we haven't run into each other yet. What's your name?
Clementine.
Clementine. Well, you look just like a Clementine.
LOL.
Mind if I come in?
Jaki...
Clementine? I've been out all morning and this heat has got me cooked.
Yes, I do mind.
This is a nice place. Is there anyone else around? You don't usually see cabins this big out here.
Kłamie.
Just me and Dad.
Yeah? What's his name?
Ed.
Strong name. I like him already.
Pies.
Where is he?
He's out.
Well, I'll cut to the chase. I'm out looking for my people. 7 of them, to be exact. They've been gone a long while, and I'm worried they might have gotten lost. Maybe you've seen them. Couple of farm boys and an old man. Spanish guy and his daughter. Quiet girl. Bit taller than you. Big black guy. This big.
Nie
And a
żyją.
pretty little pregnant lady.
I saw them. They're dead.
You saw who? Where?
Down by the river the other day. Walkers got him. I'm sorry.
The river? You sure about that?
Pretty sure.
Well, no offense, but I guess that wasn't them. 'Cause the ones I'm looking for are very careful people.
If you say so.
Ej, co on tak łazi po tej chałupie jak u siebie, no?
It's a lot of plates for 2 people. Looks like a tornado ran through here.
Yeah, well, I'm supposed to be doing the dishes.
Just passing through, or you been here a while? Hey, listen, kid. I hope you're not one of those nuts headed up north, looking for Shangri-La.
Where do you live?
Yeah, down by the river there. There's a sweet little spot with a boat where we pitched camp. Got a few tents up and everything else. And like I said, I'm surprised we haven't run into each other.
Do you have a dog?
No, I don't. What difference does it make?
Just wondering.
Zagaduje go.
Where does this go?
In the drawer there.
Ej no, może byś, lumpie, wyszedł.
Well, it's a real nice place. Kinda cozy. I knew a guy that always wore shirts like this. Doctor. Real smug son of a bitch.
What happened to him?
Let's just say we had our differences. Sooner or later, people close to you will find a reason to cross you. Happens every time. Well, White's in trouble. 3 moves away from checkmate. What was that?
Lol. No i co teraz?
I thought you said nobody's here.
Same się zamkły.
It's probably just the wind.
Aha. No, obcy facet będzie mi z giwerą sznupał po domu.
I told you, nobody's here.
Seems that way. Didn't mean to be rude. Couldn't just leave you here with a good conscience if someone was poking around, right?
Sure.
Who's this?
My sister. She's dead.
Really?
Coś mi wleciało do pokoju.
Well, I'm very sorry to hear that.
Thanks.
You have no idea who these people are, do you?
They're my friends.
Let me ask you this. When you met them, how much did they trust you?
Co ty, gościu, kombinujesz?
Well, they locked me up in a shed.
If people don't trust you, how can you trust them? Well, I think I've troubled you long enough. I can let myself out.
Don't come back.
You have a real good day now.
To było bardzo dziwne.
Where is he? He's gone. What if he comes back? We need to find the others.
We can't go outside.
Clementine. Sarah.
Jak zwykle
They
w
told me
czas...
about Pete. You know where he is, right? Come on, let's go.
A man was here.
What?
What did she say?
Someone came to the cabin.
What?
Clementine talked to him.
And you just opened the door for him?
Calm down, Rebecca.
Calm down? I am calm. You calm down.
I didn't open the door. He just came in.
She's telling the truth.
Did he say his name? Did he say what his name was?
Maybe it wasn't him.
You know damn well who it was.
I didn't ask his name.
You didn't ask his name? How could you not ask his name?
He had a gun. I didn't want to make him mad.
Look, Clem, just tell us what he looked like. What was he wearing? Did he sound different?
He had a big brown coat.
Did it have a lining? A collar?
Yeah, fur.
He talked about you, Dad. You're not gonna hurt anyone, are you?
Of course he won't, Sarah. All right, your dad's the nicest man I know, which is why he's not gonna do anything crazy or not nice. right?
You know these are bad people, sweetie. They will do or say anything to hurt us.
All right, what do you think? Did it seem like he'd be coming back?
He saw a picture of me.
A picture? What were you doing taking pictures?
Carlos,
What?
you need to calm down. All right, you're scaring your daughter.
I took the picture. It's my fault.
No, I asked her to. It's my fault.
Sarah. He was scouting. We got lucky. He wasn't expecting to find us. Clementine must have surprised him. If she hadn't been there. Well, he was too smart to stick around, but he'll be back with the rest. We don't have much time.
He's right. Everyone pack up. We're moving out.
Alvin, wait!
Ta jest najgorsza. Tej nie
We have to
cierpię.
leave now, sweetie, before he comes back with more bad guys. But it's gonna be okay. Let's just go get your things.
What does he want?
To bring us back. Clem, I don't know what he told you, but William Carver is a dangerous man. He's the leader of a camp not far from here, and he's very smart. We were lucky to escape. Look, I'm sorry to involve you, but now that he's seen you, you'll be safer with us. We have to leave.
We have to find Pete.
We'll get him on the way out, Nick. Clementine, you know where he was, right?
Yeah.
All right. Everybody grab your stuff. Let's hit the road.
Przyszedł Louis, narobił zamieszania.
Now, you said it was just up here?
Yeah, just a little ways.
Smród jest.
Hey, Clem. Sorry if I gave you some shit back there. I'm just a little on edge. I still don't like what you did. Sneaking around on us and taking advantage of my husband.
Dalej jej nie
But I
lubię.
know you were in a tough spot.
You need to stop bossing me around.
This hasn't been easy on me, but I'm trying, Clem. I know
Ah.
you did your best back there. You know, none of us would make it on our own. Sometimes it's hard knowing just how dependent I am on everyone. I'm not used to that. I'm not comfortable with that. I'm supposed to be a mom soon. Guess I need to work on my patience. Alvin and I still don't know what to call her. Or him if that man gets his wish. God help me. Any ideas? Clem?
There. That's where we were.
He's not in here.
This was the last place I saw him.
Maybe he's around here somewhere.
Ja bym uważał, nie? Ale... Co ja tam wiem?
Keep your eyes open and stay in sight.
To na pewno znaczy coś dobrego.
Pete! Uncle Pete!
O shit.
Oh my God. What happened? What the hell happened?
He's been shot.
He didn't have a gun. Who did this?
Son of a bitch.
We need to go.
He's gone. Nick, he's gone. You gotta get moving. Come on, man.
Tell me. Tell me how it happened.
He saved my life.
Well, that was Pete.
I'm sorry.
I'm worried about that kid. Keep an eye on him for me, would you?
You sure you still want to come with us?
Look, I know we got off to a rough start, and I can't make any
No i
promises
idę,
it
no.
won't get rougher.
Yeah,
Niech
I'm
będzie.
with you guys.
And we are glad to have you.
Not everyone is.
Well, they'll get there. I figure we got about 4 or 5 days to reach those mountains. Now, if they're tracking us, we should be able to lose them up there.
5 days?
It's gonna be okay, Beck.
We have to keep moving now.
To ona
It's our
urodzi w
own
drodze
choice.
chyba. Oni tam nigdy, nikt z nich nigdy nie robi kup ani nic takiego.
See anything?
She better see something.
Nie no, czasem jedzą.
Damn weak.
Na początku pierwszej części
Shelter.
jedli. Sam rozdawałem jedzenie.
There's a lift or something.
Chairlift? Must be that ski resort.
I've never been skiing.
Beck and I went once.
It wasn't pretty.
Here, eat this, Beck.
There's a building on the mountain.
What's it look like?
It's big.
That sounds like a good place to spend the night.
Pyg. O, chatka puchatka.
There's a little house by the bridge.
How big is it?
It's pretty small. There's the bridge.
And does it look passable?
I think so.
Good.
We have to cross that bridge. Let's go.
Hold on now. We can't all go sprinting across that thing, okay? We get spotted out there, we're gonna be trapped.
Going around that lake will take too long.
Right, but look, we've got no idea who's out there. Okay, I'm gonna sneak across, make sure it's clear before we bring the whole group over.
You think splitting up the group is a good idea?
Well, I never said it was a good idea, but it's better than risking everyone at once.
What's your plan?
Clem and I can scoot across low and slow, make sure nobody's waiting for us on the other side.
We'll have a tough time covering you from back here.
Well, we'll just turn back if it gets hairy.
Clementine should stay here.
She's what?
She's just a little girl, Luke.
She's a valuable little girl.
I can do it.
See? No problem. It's gonna be fine. Okay, we'll signal you guys in 10 minutes. Just watch for a light at the far side.
I can go too.
You stay with the group.
I'm fine, Luke.
I don't like this.
Yeah, well, when's the last time you liked anything, Carlos?
If something happens, I'll cover you.
Come on.
Ja jestem super szczelcem. Murzyn mnie nauczył. Przed śmiercią.
Hey, sorry about that. I just could really use your eyes, and right now I don't trust Nick to tie his own shoes. You're just still on edge after the Carver thing.
It's been 5 days. Why would Carver still be following us?
What's the most important thing in this world? What does everyone want?
Jedzenie.
Even the gangs. You know, what do you think they're all after?
Food.
Nope. What's the one thing a guy would walk hundreds of miles to get back?
Family.
It's a tough world out there without people you can trust.
Jedzenie jest ważniejsze od rodziny.
Anyways,
Bez,
you can ask Rebecca.
bez
Okay,
jedzenia
I'm
się
not gonna
umiera.
get in the
Bez
middle.
rodziny się żyje.
We've all made mistakes. Done things that we regret.
Seems like we're already in the middle of it.
Tell me about it.
O! Zombiki.
Can't shoot them. Too much noise. There are only 2.
Let's take them.
I like your style. I'll take the big one. You get Shorty. Wish we could use guns. We should be okay.
Got it. I'll take the small one.
Good.
Mierzmy
Let's do it.
siły na zamiary. tym młotkiem. Ej, daliby mi coś lepszego, nie?
Go ahead. Give it a good pull. It should come free.
I know. I've done this before, remember? In a shed.
Lol. No dobra.
Nice work, kid.
Ciul ją w plery.
Ow.
Pozytywnie. Najważniejsze to z uśmiechem. Nawet zombie mordować. Jeden
Shit.
letko. Walimy ich.
Clem! I'm okay. I'm stuck.
To może być problem.
I can't reach.
It's okay. Clem, look, we'll figure something out. Behind you!
Oh shit.
O! Pomotku. Z buta. Na ryj. Do buzi. Shit. Mi się aż zrobiło tak. Ugh. Jak badyl, jak to była rółka.
Thanks, Clem. Let's keep going.
No. Myślałem, że... Znaczy, można było strzelać, nie? Ale oni woleli
You see him?
prawie spaść z mostu i umrzeć.
Yeah.
Idzie hop z bronią, no. Co teraz?
Just play it cool. You do the talking.
What? Why me?
'Cause I don't want to get in a fight. You really think he'd shoot a little girl? Just don't make any sudden moves.
Ja bym siebie
Don't
zastrzeliła.
piss him off.
I'd shoot me.
Well, that's a hell of a thing to say.
I'm just saying.
Well, if it comes to that, I'll shoot him first.
Well, who are you?
Well, who's asking?
I am.
I'm Clementine, and this is Luke.
Clementine and Luke.
Aha.
Huh. You don't look like assholes. Are you assholes? No offense or anything, but you know how it is out here. You run into a lot of assholes.
You're the one holding a gun.
Touche. You folks headed north like everyone else?
Azjata.
Everyone else?
I see at least one group a day move through here. You all look the same.
Have you seen someone named Krista?
Krista? Maybe.
Really?
No, I mean, a lot of people come through here. I don't know. I gotta say, you two look like shit. If you need food, I've got some canned stuff in that
W
station.
sumie nie Azjata.
Well, that's, awful nice of you. What's the catch?
No catch. I've got plenty.
Well, all right then. Thank you.
Hey, no problem. Nice running into friendly faces out here. Like I said, I've got food and supplies back in the station. And if you want... What the fuck, man?
What the hell is he doing?
Co?
No, he's with us. Nick! No!
Don't shoot!
Kurwa, i się zmarnowała Givera. Co za łoś.
Did I hit him? Where is he?
I told you not to shoot.
What? Who was that guy?
Why did
Ja
you shoot?
pierdaczę.
He pointed a gun at me.
Damn it, Nick. I told you not to shoot.
How was I supposed to hear you? You gave me a clear shot.
That shot rang out for miles. We gotta get off this bridge. Let's go.
Drugi Ben. Dokładnie. Tylko jeszcze z bronią, bo tamten to już w ogóle był... Pizduś. Oj, nie jest dobrze. Otaczają nas idioci.
Who the fuck was that back there?
I don't know.
Looked like he had a gun on you. That asshole drew on me. He was about to shoot.
Oh, was he?
I'm telling you, man, he drew first.
Shut up, Nick.
What did you see, Clem? Was that guy gonna shoot? Fuck you, Luke. You've been on my case the whole week.
And why do you think that is, Nick?
He wasn't gonna do anything.
I know what I saw.
Either way, you could have hit one of us.
Yeah, but I didn't.
Look, I know Pete was close to you,
Wina
Nick, but you
Nika i
can't
tyle.
fucking talk about it.
Koniec gadki.
You think he was with Carver?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. But he fell over.
He fell off the damn bridge?
We have to keep moving.
I can't. I need a minute.
Fine. Luke, can I talk to you alone?
To zaraz tam w bólach porodzi dziecię syna pierworodnego. I dopiero będzie jazda.
Hey, Clem, you got anything to eat? Beck's dying here.
Alvin, I told you I'm fine.
Sorry, I'm out.
Wish we still had those juice boxes.
Yeah, me too.
That man said he had food in the station.
Mind checking it out? Maybe we could spend the night here.
No
Small
dobra,
for
no.
us, though.
Sure.
Mogę, zostanę ciocią.
Thanks, Clem.
Ciocią jeszcze nie byłem nigdy. Dobra, pogadajmy, bo to zawsze coś może się ciekawego przytrafić.
Rebecca, are you okay?
I'm alright. I just need a little rest.
And some food.
Alvin,
Rebeka jest fajnie rubobeka. Czaicie. Śmieszny żart. No wysługują się gnojem nonno.
Sounds weird when I say it out loud, huh? Luke always used to push me. I never wanted to go into business with him. I remember when he sold me on it. His big plan. Some fucking plan. Case of beer in, he just said, "Nick, we're burning daylight." And that was that. After 6 months, we were flat broke. I didn't care. We were having fun. I wish I was like him. I wish I could just keep moving all the time. I'm just not built like that. I'm sure they're talking about me right now. Look, he's becoming a danger to the group. So who was that guy? I swear, it looked like he was holding you guys up.
He seemed nice.
Damn. If Alvin is in front of me, he takes that shot. What a fucking mess. Maybe I am losing it. I don't know anymore. God, I'm hungry. What time is it anyway?
No ty na pewno nie dostaniesz ryć.
Damn.
O,
What's wrong?
I left my watch back at the cabin. It was Pete's. He gave it to me.
a to ja zajebałam. I teraz co, dać? Nie
I'm
dam.
sorry.
That's all I had left of him. You know what? I'm gonna go talk to them.
Nie dam, nie przyznam się. Muszę iść w zaparte, bo będzie źle. Scyganiuch.
The man said he had lots of food. There's gotta be something left.
Na Allegro pójdzie. Nieużywany.
Don't see a key around here. That man probably had it.
Tylko w niedzielę na ręce był noszony. Zgodnie ze swoją krwią, czyli jaką krwią? Bagnet. Fajny.
Feels pretty good. I guess he slept here.
No, pójdzie na Szaberplacu. Za 2 puszki fanzoli.
It's dead.
Dead. Dead like my dad. Śmieszne. Postać jest Afroamerykanką. No chyba nie. Co ty dupisz? To jest jakaś mulatka może, albo latynoska więcej, ale nigdy w życiu to nie jest murzynka. Papu. To jest murzyn, o.
Man, and I thought we had it bad. Look at this dump. Guess he did have food. Man, fuck Nick. Nick's lost a lot of his people, that's for sure. But that doesn't give him
Nie
any
lubię go
excuse
mimo
to start
wszystko.
shooting up strangers.
He's out of control.
That's what I'm saying. He keeps on like that, he's gonna get one of us killed. I mean, you ever known anyone to do a thing like that?
Lots of people. It happens all the time now.
It's fucking crazy. Pardon my French.
Pardon my French. Nie znałem takiego zwrotu pardon my French, że to do wulgaryzmów.
That's funny. She looks just like you.
No.
Hey, Clem, there's not a lot of food here, and Rebecca, well, she's eating for 2. You think we can keep this just between us? I hate to even say it, you know, but... And I'd never go against the group,
Kurwa.
but I've got to put back
No
in
niech
the baby
żre,
first.
no niech
Rebecca
żre.
can have it. I won't say
Niech
anything.
zżre i niech
Thanks,
się
Clementine.
zesra tym
It's
żarciem.
a shame.
Tak jej
Nick
nie
was a good
lubię.
guy. He's still a good guy. He's just losing it. God knows we're not perfect. Hell, I'm glad you're with us, Clementine. The hell is that?
No. Hell is that.
Walkers.
That is that.
We got a problem here.
Is this this?
Yeah, we saw it. All right, we're heading up.
Ej, czajcie jakby po angielsku się jak po polsku pytało, czy to? Is this this? Yes. This is this.
Well, what are we waiting for?
Aż urodzisz.
Have to be careful.
Careful. We've been on the road for 5 days. My back is done being careful.
Bunio, dupa cicho, bo zaraz ci banik poleci. Normalnie balansujesz na
Nail
granicy.
down tight. I'll check around front.
I'll go with you.
Well, it'd be good to know if anybody's actually back there. Could probably get a better view from up top. You'd have an easier time getting up there. You feel like taking a look?
Myślałem, że to u mnie na placu.
It'd be just like climbing a treehouse.
I had a treehouse once.
Well, there you go.
I hated it.
Oh.
Ej, ale ten efekt taki tej burzy, czy co to jest kurde jak... Ja myślałem, że to na placu u mnie jest, nie?
Just take
Masakra.
it slow, and I'll catch you if you fall.
Zajebiście. Zajebiście to jest zrealizowane.
Got a good grip?
Yeah,
When I was a kid, we used to jump rooftops downtown. Now that was fun.
that sounds stupid.
Yeah. Yeah, it was. The trick was not to look down, though. Whoa, 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 you're fine. You're fine.
Siema,
Just look at me,
Mateusz.
okay? You're fine. All
I'm
right, just slow
fine.
down. Just for a second, okay?
I know I'm fine.
Just trying to help.
Zdobędę Winterfell. Ja. Księżogóra na Cidrach. Albo kopiec wyzwolenia w piekarach śląskich. Ptok. No i co ja mam sam robić?
You see anything?
Widzę most.
I can see the bridge.
Brykę. Coś się tam świeci.
Wait, I see something.
What is it?
A light. Wait, there's another. Luke. Luke.
Luke, hopie. Co to za ciule przyszli? Tam jakiś pazdan łysy stoi.
Listen,
No
everyone,
dobrze,
just
że mi
stay
piszecie,
calm.
żebym patrzył.
Are you trying to rob us? Excuse me, honey, but do I look like a fucking thief?
Everyone calm down.
Hey, man, you calm the fuck down.
Sarah, get behind me.
Just tell us who you are.
We ain't here to rob nobody. Put the gun down,
Fuck
man.
that! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Please, just do what he says.
No, mówiłem. Żyje.
Henny.
Wait, you know this guy?
Clementine?
Mówiłem, nie mógł kojfnąć, kurde. Nie mógł kojfnąć. Musiał przeżyć.
I'll take that as a yes.
These people with you?
Ale się
Can talk
zapuścił.
inside.
Great. I just started dinner.
Are you sure you don't mind?
It's gonna storm soon. Please, come in.
Ale wcześniej miał zajebistego wąsa jak amerykański trucker. Normalnie mógł w tej mytce i z tym wąsem jechać tirem po Ameryce. Ski shop. O jak mają Chris Baum, radio. Wszystko mają. Fana Norwegii, Włoch, Ameryki.
Jenny and Sarita have been staying with us for several weeks. Used to be a ski lodge, obviously, so we have plenty of food. And believe it or not, we still get some power from that wind turbine out front. We tend to keep most of the lights off at night to avoid drawing attention. But after we found this stuff in storage, we couldn't resist making an exception. What's funny?
Oh, nothing, Walt. Walter here's one smart sumbitch. Makes a mean can of beans, too.
Well, why don't you
Mean
two
can of
catch up
beans.
while I get some dinner started? Please, make yourselves at home. You can leave your things over there.
The hell we will.
Yeah, I'm holding on to my rifle. Thanks.
You're our guests here. There's no need to worry.
Tell him to put his gun down, then.
Kenny?
Will you vouch for these people, Clem?
If you tell me they're good, then I'm good.
Us. You were the one waving a gun around.
Niech będzie.
They're cool.
Niech będzie, że się po ich stronie opowiem.
Dad, look! A Christmas tree.
Not now, Sarah.
Chris Baum.
Isn't it great? We found it all in storage.
It's amazing.
Smutła tak. Tapeta fajna. Żeby mi za tego walca nie zgłosili na YouTubie praw.
Good. If you'll all follow me, I'll show you where you can sleep.
A to jakiś tego. Foreign accent. Ale Chrisbaum fajny, żywy. Nie tam z plastiku. Ja. Feuerplatz. Wszystko jest. Zice są, Schizlong jest. Zogówki. Lol, jako afa.
Still wearing this dirty old thing, huh? You know, I half expected to see Lee walk up next to you. You guys were like two peas in a pod.
No i jeżeli...
Oh shit, I didn't mean to... It's just hard not to think about it, you know?
He saved me.
I knew it. I knew he would. That guy had a fire in him, sure as shit. Hell. He was a hell of a guy. When my son, well, he took care of him. I'll never forget that. So, where'd you end up?
I was with Krista and Omid. Omid, well... Krista and I were together for a while, but these guys caught us. She's gone.
Sounds like it ain't been easy for you. I'm sorry, darling. I wish I could have found you sooner.
Where have you been?
Oh, hell. All over after Savannah.
How did you get out of there?
Obieży świat.
Krista got in a hell of a mess. I gave her a hand, and then it got messier. For a minute there, it wasn't looking too good for old Kenny. Long story short, I got lucky. Real lucky. Spent a long time alone after that. And then I met Sarita, thank God. Gosh, it's great to have you back.
You two catching up?
Clem, this is my girl, Sarita. Ain't she beautiful?
Nice to meet you, Clementine.
Hey, Walt, where's Matthew? He's still out there rooting around?
Przeciętnie.
Of course he is.
Przeciętnie.
I'll start dinner.
Carlos, right? Mind if I steal your daughter for a secret mission?
Stay in sight, sweetie.
Can we do anything to help?
Could use a hand outside. We got a lot of supplies to bring in before that storm hits.
Sure.
Nick...
Well, why don't you help Walt with dinner?
A Nick zaraz wyciągnie flintę i... Jeb! Wszystkich zastrzeli pewnie. I powie, ale oni do mnie celowali. Ja nie chciał.
Clementine? Settling in well enough?
Yeah, thanks.
Excellent. Want to help me prepare a little dinner? So how do you know Kenny? He and Sarita have been a huge help. Matthew and I barely knew what to do around here the first week.
It's a long story.
Connecting with people is so important. I don't know what I'd do without Matthew. Gosh, you remind me of my students.
Fanzola
I
po
can't
solu.
imagine what it's like growing up in the middle of all this.
I managed just fine.
Now you really do sound like one of my students.
And you sound like a teacher.
I'll take that as a compliment, thank you. Almost done. Would you do me the honor of tasting the first course, madam?
What is this?
Le Walter Surprise, an autumnal legume salad with a peach roux. It's peaches and beans. That's all we got. Huh. Striking resemblance.
Lol. O co wam chodzi?
Anyway, I'll take it from here.
I Ciultengar. No nie. No. Ej, ale chciałem skosztować. No podobna jak dwie krople wody. Mamy te cechy wspólne, że obie to dziewczynki. No, już.
Cousin Jared's concert, October 13th, 1998.
1998! Łoje, to jeszcze mnie na świecie nie było. To się urodzę dopiero za 4 lata. To były czasy. Lazartronik. I teraz będzie tak. Jingle bell, jingle all the way, jingle all the way, la 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 la. No. Normalnie świąteczny klimat. W czerwcu. W lipcu. Lipiec jest. 1 lipiec dzisiaj.
What's this song you're humming?
Good King Wenceslas. It's my favorite Christmas song.
Dobry król Wacław. Co?
Well, it's about a king that brings food to a
Skąd oni tam znają Wacława w Ameryce? To jest słowiańskie imię.
But the king tells the servant to just step in his tracks. Mark my footsteps, good my page, tread thou in them boldly. Thou shalt find the wind.
Przecież Wacław to imię czeskie takie jest bardziej chyba, nie? Mi się wydaje.
Reminds me of
It means
school.
that doing good things for people can be good for you too.
But the servant wouldn't have been out there in the first place if the king hadn't made him.
Ski shop. Można kupić ski. Fajny Chrisbaum. Fajne lampki. Jeszcze kety. Jeszcze kety i glaskule trzeba powiesić. I betlejka. Moi drodzy, czy u was na święta jest betlejka pod Chrisbaumem? Taką mało betlejka i tam są zwierzątka. I jest mały Pan Jezusek. Musi być wszystko.
What a funny little guy.
To jest duck. Żeby nie mówić... Pipara, pipara, pipari, papa. Lone Pine Winter Park Trail Map. Czubek. Szpica. Szpica tak zwana. Szpica się daje albo gwiazda. U mnie ostatnio przeważnie gwiazda. Ale szpica też bywała. I do ognia teraz wpadnę i spłonę. Zero klimatu świątecznego. A, rączki zagrzane. Gwiazda Dawida. Nie, śmierci. Tak. Jump into the fire. Pogadamy.
Clem, we could use some help. Here, Sarah, you take this and string them up over there. You knew Kenny before. It must be incredible to see him again.
Yes.
When I met him, well, he's so different now.
So, how'd you meet Kenny?
I found him holed up in an old restaurant, if you can believe it.
Hold up.
You should have seen his beard then. Perfect. Now we just need the topper.
We always had an angel on top of our tree.
My family didn't celebrate Christmas, but I still love the decorations.
My family didn't celebrate Christmas because we are Muslim. No. No racism intended. Czy idzie tam w leś? Trepę hoch.
It's crazy. Why would they follow us this far?
We can't be sure.
It's been a week, man. We gotta be out of the woods.
We can't be sure. They might be tracking us.
Tracking? Who do you think they are? Ninjas?
Clem, Luke said you saw some people in the valley.
People
No.
way down there. How?
Tak
I
było.
saw lights.
Which way did they go?
Back into the woods.
We cannot take any chances. We leave at dawn.
But we're safe here for tonight, right?
Clementine, you talked to that man Walter, right? What did he say? You didn't tell him anything about us, did you?
He mentioned someone else.
Someone else? Who?
His friend. His name is Matthew.
Look, I don't care what that man said. We're staying here tonight.
Just talk to the rest of them. They trust you. See what you can find out. I'm gonna go find Luke.
Kurde, nie będę robił ła
I don't feel so
za
good.
agenta.
Beck, what's wrong?
I just need something to drink.
You got it. I'll be right back.
Ta zaro porodzi, albo poroni syna, albo córkę, albo nic. No jest Janiołek. Jest Glaskula. Zaro. Nie. To musi być ten Janiołka. Na wierzch. Porońca. Tak. Ciul. Brzydko, no ale...
She looks so cool.
Beautiful. I used to love this time of year. You know, now that your friends are here, this place is starting to feel like a real home.
W kłobuka
Matthew
zmieniać.
and Walter are amazing people.
Tak
Honestly,
trzeba.
it's dangerous to be this kind, but they can't help it. Wait until you meet Matthew. He's a real character.
Kto to ten
Where
Matthew?
is Matthew?
Oh, he likes to go on long walks. He and Walter used to vacation here. He should be back soon.
A będzie beka jak ten Matthew, to będzie ten stary luj, co tam do tej chałupy
I
przyszedł.
wanted to ask you, does Kenny seem different to you? I
Karwa.
didn't know him before, and well, I'm curious.
I haven't noticed.
Oh, well, let me know if you do.
Well, you three have been busy.
Kenny, isn't it great?
I got it, hon.
I think I can manage, Ken.
I said I got it.
No.
Always has to play the gentleman. But I'll tell you, when I met him, he couldn't lift a fly. Why don't you go see if your friends are ready for dinner, Clementine?
Ostatni raz jak nas zaprosili na obiad, to żeśmy prawie wtrążyli swojego kolegę, pilota Marka, któremu użyli nogi jeszcze za żywota i zrobili z niego super papu. Także ja jestem wstrzemięźliwy tutaj. Wstrzemięźliwy jestem do spożywania obiadków rodzinnych, familijnych. No. Tak. Tak było. Idziemy żryć, ty, napląpano krowo.
Are you okay?
Just got a little dizzy. I can't even take care of myself. How am I supposed to raise a child? I mean, how can anyone now?
Kurwa mać, przepraszam, że przeklułem, ale ja nie wiem, jak się dziecko wychowuje.
Yeah, that makes two of us.
Ja nie wiem po prostu, no nie wiem. Nie mam
I know
dziecka.
it's gonna be hard.
Jestem
But
małą
at the same
dziewczynką.
time, I already feel a little less lonely. Because I know that no matter what happens, I'll get to meet someone new. She's kicking. Wanna listen? That food smells good. huh?
Ochyda.
Can I?
I nagle alien z brzucha. No. Sorry, nie mogłem się powstrzymać.
If he finds out it's not his, he'll kill me. I don't know what to do.
To był żart. Tylko taki.
I can't believe I'm asking a little girl for advice. But I guess nothing's weird anymore.
I wouldn't say anything.
There's my man.
You all right, baby?
I'm fine, you big dope.
Just need to get some food in you. Thanks for staying with her, Clem.
Arbuz.
Well, everyone, dinner is served.
A w brzuchu arbuz i kubełek kurczaków z KFC. Pozdro dla kumatych, ale no to rasizm oczywiście. O, teraz Może to nie z tego. Może to nie z kolegów.
You okay, man?
Yeah, just
Posiłek. Pierwszy raz od
I wish I
dawna.
hadn't pulled that trigger.
Just try to forget about it.
Right here, Clem.
Bigos jedzą pewnie. Traditional American dish. Bigos. Bigos made of cabbage. A traditional dinner in America since the Polish colonization in 18th century. Dobra, siądziemy z nowymi, ze starymi. A nie mogę sobie stołka postawić w środku? Dobra, z nimi już. Jezus Maria, co mam wybrać? Gorzej jak w Mass Effectie 3 na końcu. I mam jeść obiad z tymi czy z tymi? Z tymi czy z tymi? Ja pierdolę. Ja nie mogę się takich podejmować wyborów. To jest za ciężkie do mnie. Ja się nie umiem zdecydować. Kurwa mać, what the hell is going on here? What the fuck? Idę do Kennego. Dostałem suba. Dziękuję za suba. Muszę go tylko na szybkości uzupełnić, bo potem zapomnę. Przepraszam za przerwę, ale to potrwa dosłownie chwilkę. Dziękuję pięknie Feragas za suba. Polecam się na przyszłość.
Here you go, Clem.
So, Clem, we were just talking. What's the deal with the kid? And what's his name? Luke? He in charge? You trust him?
Kenny, please.
Sarita, we don't know these folks.
I don't know.
I don't know yet.
I don't
I
know.
haven't been with them long.
Takes a while before you know a man for real.
That's true. I'm still learning about Kenny.
Not the snoring again.
It's like sawing logs. Redwoods.
That guy, Big Al, he said they were on the run.
Some people are after them.
Well, you don't have to worry about that no more. They'll go tomorrow and you can stay here.
Absolutely. Honey, you stay with us as long as you want.
Ej, ja chcę
She's
zostać...
staying for good.
Chcę zostać z
Thank
Kenem.
you.
Of course.
This is like a dream. Damn it, I am so happy right now. I can't even tell you.
Tamtych w sumie nie lubię. Baba mnie wnerwia, nikt to jest ciula. Ten jeszcze w miarę, ale ja chcę z Kenem.
Hey there.
Hey.
Hope you like the food.
Oh, it's great. Thank you.
Peaches and beans. Great for nutrition. Not too great on the way out, though, I tell you. So, it's Luke
Jajcarz.
and Nick. Luke and Nick. You guys sure do look like a match.
What's that supposed to mean?
I'm just saying you look like good friends, that's all.
So, what was your plan here? Hold out for the winter?
Actually, we were thinking of moving on. Somewhere up north. You ever heard of a place called Wellington?
Wellington? The hell is that?
A place.
What kind of place?
A good one, Einstein.
Yeah. Krista and I were going there.
Supposed to be a big camp up near Michigan.
Michigan?
You got a hearing problem, kid? Yeah, Michigan. Think about it. Fresh water, lots of land, and cold-ass winters so the walkers get slow.
Sounds like bullshit.
Listen, Vanilla Ice. I don't know what your deal
Vanilla
is.
Ice.
You're more than welcome to take off in
What?
the morning.
That'd be just fine by me.
What's the deal with these guys, Clem?
Hey, fuck you, buddy.
It's fine, Nick. We're not staying.
She's staying.
Luke, listen to him.
I have been, but...
Kenny's my friend.
Kenny wie. Dupa cicho,
Please, there's no
Cwele,
need for this.
bo Kenny jest zawodowcem w tych
Now,
sprawach.
look, we've all had a long day. Please eat.
Kenny to własnego syna odjebał, jak wyście jeszcze w pieluchy robili.
Pass me that can, Duck.
Znaczy to murzyn w sumie.
Duck? Who's Duck?
Leave him alone, Luke.
Hey, Clementine, would you, lend me a hand outside for a moment? I'm sorry about that. You know, I used to be a teacher, and I remember what it's like to be caught in the middle of two cliques. I suspect they'll find common ground soon enough. It may take a little time, but that's just how these things work.
I
Everything will be fine.
don't think so.
Listen, relationships are like any machine.
I want to stay
Ja
with you
zostaję.
and Kenny.
Then stay you shall. I know that'll please Kenny.
I missed him.
And he missed you, I can assure you. They say the world is over, but I'll tell you a secret. It's not. People are more political now than they ever were before. In the end, we can't change the world. All we can do is continue to learn from each other, to empathize, and use our heads. All war is a symptom of man's failure as a thinking animal. Steinbeck. Have you read him?
Steinbeck czytałem na
Well, we
studiach.
have plenty of time to catch you up on your reading. My partner Matthew is amassing quite the literature collection.
Ciężkie.
I think you'll like him.
Eseje takie pisał.
In any case, the point is,
Bardzo.
as long as we have our wits about us, we can always make the right choice. Right?
W sumie w porównaniu do innych to nawet nie takie złe.
Right.
Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson.
Is there something
O
you want to tell
Boże.
me?
Straszne rzeczy, nie polecam nikomu.
You can talk to me, Clem. There's almost nothing you could tell me that would surprise me. I can promise you that.
I'm worried about your friend. I think that...
Don't worry. Matthew will be back soon, and everything will be fine.
But I think...
Hey, kids, what are you two talking about?
Oh, politics.
The hell?
Well, being from Florida, I would imagine you know all about politics, Kenny.
Man, I know one advantage of living in the apocalypse is not dealing with that shit no more. I was just gonna check the windows round back before this storm hits. Give us a hand?
Sure.
Siema Lejto. Lejto. Lejte piwo.
Miss?
Ryżo.
Please, do you have any food?
Are you okay?
I saw the house and I have a family. We're starving. We live down there.
Of course. Why don't you come in, Miss...
Bonnie.
Ej,
Walt, I
fajno.
don't know. You just gonna let her in like that?
It's fine, Kenny.
We don't know this girl.
Then we'll have to get to know her. Right, Clem?
Ej, pierwszy raz fajna babka
How much
tutaj
damage
jest.
can this poor woman do?
She can't hurt anyone. Look at her.
O,
Thank you. Really, but that storm will be on us soon, and I gotta get back to my family.
I'll bring something out to you then.
You don't have to do that.
No, it's fine.
What about your people?
We've got plenty. You stay put. I'll be right back.
kobieca solidarność. Zaufałam jej. Wygląda na
I
biedną.
have a little girl like you. How old are you, sweetie?
I'm 11.
I would have thought older than that.
Blada jakaś taka, ale...
Here you are, miss.
This is too much.
Don't mention it.
I
Ile
don't
oni
know
mają
how to thank you.
jedzenia?
Just help someone else down the line.
Thank you so much. I'll be going now.
You stay safe.
You too.
YouTube to taki zespół.
Clem, go on inside and get to bed. Walt and I gotta talk for a second.
Ej, my są chyba za bogaci, że my jej tyle jedzenia dali. To by starczyło na miesiąc do grupy ludzi wyżywienia.
Clementine, don't freak out.
O co ci chodzi? Orlando Bloom. Ja nie chcę, ja tej grupy nie lubię, ja chcę z Kenem.
Listen, okay, I gotta tell you something. That guy on the bridge was Walter's friend.
Oh shit.
See, I knew something was off, so I asked Sarita about their friend.
Trochę przypał, nie?
Now they're all worried he's not back yet.
Where's Nick?
I don't know. I don't think Walter knows yet, so we have to keep this quiet. I mean, who knows what the hell he'd do if he found out.
Jak się dowiedzą, to będzie fajnie.
We should tell him.
He's gonna ask who did it, and you're gonna tell him.
It's the right thing to do.
It's right to get Nick killed because that's what's gonna happen. Now, do you still have that knife? Because if it was Matthews and Walter sees it, he's gonna put two and two together.
It's with the other weapons.
Okay, well, go get rid of it. I'll find Walter and run interference. Oh, and, keep an eye out for Nick.
I'm right here. What's up?
Kurde, hopie.
Oh, it's nothing, man. I just wanted to check and see if you're okay.
We have to tell you something.
Hey, if there's something going on, I want to know.
No, just go back to bed, Nick.
Pa coś zrobił, pa coś zrobił. Obejrzyj, coś zrobił.
Oh, Jesus.
Głupie loku.
God damn it. Hey, Nick, shut the fuck up.
I can't, man. I can't.
Do not fucking blow it.
Blow it. It's over. I have to tell him, Luke.
What? No, hey, Nick, you cannot do that. Are you fucking nuts?
I gotta. I can't live with that on me.
Niech się przyzna.
Okay, I hear you, but
Najwyżej go
fuck,
odstrzelą.
man, do you know what he's gonna do?
You should tell him.
Yeah.
Nick, I'm warning you. This is fucking suicide.
I'll live with it.
Jesus Christ.
Jesus. I can't handle this.
Look, Clem, just go do that thing, alright?
Co sądzę o babeczce, co dałem jedzenie? No, fajna. Ale ja już zajęty jestem. Kaj są moje rzeczy. Ej, Walter. Oddawaj mi mój bajonet. A, to prąd mają na wiatrak. No ja, no bo w sumie skąd? Co, z elektrowni atomowej?
Walter?
I always liked this knife. Gave it to Matthew when all this started. I know he's dead. Who did it? Was it that kid? What's his name? Nick? Heard him talking earlier, something about shooting a man. I could see it. I could see it on his face. Wasn't sure then, but now...
Ja Nika mam w ciuli, on jest głupi i niech umrzy.
It was us. It was our fault.
Zdupił, to trzeba ponieść konsekwencje, no kurde. Trzeba dźwigać krzyż.
Jesus. I don't feel good.
Nick shot him.
Jak sprzedała! Łojerona! Panie!
Is Nick a good man?
Upsko pękło.
Or is he just like everyone else?
Ja nie wiem, ja nie wiem.
Just one of those fuckers that don't give a shit
Ja
about anyone but
w
themselves?
sumie nie wiem. Ja przemilczę. Nick jest głupi. Głupio mi go tak było też sprzedawczykować.
He was
O!
always going out alone. I told him something like this would happen, but he wouldn't listen. No, Matt always knew best.
What's going on?
You need to get out of here.
This world is hell. People like Matthew aren't coming back. This is it, and now he's gone.
Not gonna be
What
good.
did you do? Did you hurt him? Did you hurt Matthew?
Karwa. Na ostrzu noża sytuacja.
I didn't do anything. All right?
Walt, what's going on? The storm's got it spinning out of control. That sound's gonna draw walkers. We gotta shut it down now.
Nick, help me. Carry the guns.
Guns?
Guns? Pozdro dla kumatych. Guns?
Thing's a damn dinner bell.
Gdzie dzięki, skurwysynu?
What the hell was that? Damn it! Transformer must have gone. Gotta check it. I could use a hand. I'll go with you.
I'm going to.
No! It's too dangerous. Rest of you, get this thing shut down!
Ej, ale byłem przekonany, że Walter że go żgnie. Ksz, 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 ksz. Za tego Mateusza.
Does anyone know how to do this?
Lol, nope.
Great.
I can do it.
No nikt to jest drugi Ben, no. Jest drugi Ben i nas bronią. To jeszcze gorzej, no. Jeszcze gorzej, bo Ben to był pizduś. Totalny. Ultra. Nawet giwery do ręki nie wziął, nie? Tu jest coś, jakiś knefel. Doesn't work. Klucyk. Już wiem. Już wiem. Klucyk do dziurki. Wszystko będzie dobrze. O! Proś. Mechaniker Niklaus. Pierwszy sort. Najlepszy.
Something ain't right.
Yeah.
Sezon trzeci. No bardzo się cieszę. Bardzo się cieszę. No bardzo mi się podoba. Szkoda, że zombie już idą.
We don't have much ammunition.
We gotta get back to the lodge. They're behind us!
A ja co? Ale po łebie wal, po łebie. Kurwa. Auda ammo. No może uciekamy, co? Ej, powiem wam, że te zombie się wydają tak wolno łazić. Tak wolno, że ja nie wiem, jak przed nimi można nie uciec. To jest do mnie wielki sekret. Ale mnie odrzuciło. Ja jestem lepszy we walce hand to hand combat. Close, tak zwane close quarters. Close quarters combat. Kurwa mać. No i bardzo dobrze, kurwa. Wrzut wyciśnięty. Szybciej się go jak Bena pozbyłem nawet.
You didn't see him?
Walker's got him.
Clem, get inside! Go!
Clementine, are you okay?
O ciul, a kto to wali z kałachu?
What the hell?
Ciubary. Ja. Idzie majster.
Howdy, folks.
to tak.
Where's Rebecca?
Carver.
Carver.
It's nice to see you too.
Dad! Sarah!
Inside.
It's you.
Keep moving.
To ja wam jedzenie. Takie ludzie są. To za dobry jestem, bo ja z natury jestem dobry człowiek. Ufny i w ogóle... A, nie warto. Kurwa, nie warto było.
Look at this place.
Nie warto było robić nic. Jeszcze żeśmy jedzenie zmarnowali. Nie warto było. O, Jeruna.
Power and everything. A lot of windows though. It's fucking huge. Bill's gonna hate it. Now the rest of them could be anywhere.
Nie dość, że zombiki, to jeszcze trzeba się przed ludźmi kurde kitrać, bo...
Man, how the fuck are we gonna cover these guys and look for them too?
Johnny, cover that window.
Trzeba ją było zastrzelić. Ben tylko mniejszy. No trochę tak. Jeszcze ta ciężarna najlepiej. Nie grałem w 400 dni dodatek. Może zagram, zobaczymy. Zaro mi sprzeda w pysk. O, albo tak. W sumie to za co on go napie...
Only gonna ask you once. Where's Rebecca?
Sarah, look at me. It's gonna be okay.
Rebecca! Rebecca! Our baby deserves to be raised in a place of
Wiedziałem.
safety.
Wiedziałem, że to on.
And Alvin, Luke, and the girl. This is real simple. You want this over quick. You all play nice. And show your faces.
My dad, please.
He'll kill him.
No, Alvin.
We gotta go down there.
I can't do that.
Beck, the baby. You need a doctor.
We have to help Carlos.
Only way to help him is to do what the man says.
What about Luke and Kenny?
Look at those guns. If we start shooting and people are gonna die on both sides.
Clem can sneak out. Find Luke.
What the hell is she gonna do? And you heard him. Carver knows she's with us.
Just stop! Don't hurt my dad, please!
We're going down there.
He'll kill you.
Fuck you. Shoot him! Somebody just shoot him!
Clem, go get help.
He'll kill him, Beck.
He'll do it anyway.
You don't know that.
Say goodbye, Carlos.
Don't look, sweetie. Don't look.
Dad!
Nobody? Now that's disappointing.
I'll find Luke and Kenny. Stay here.
God damn it.
You never did listen.
Hurry.
Let's see if I can get your attention.
Dobra, niech mu tam ciula po pysku. Ale umiarkowanie.
Clem!
Kenny, poć! Hopie! Podź, 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 podź.
God damn, it's dark. Can't see a fucking thing.
You all right?
What are we gonna do?
I don't know.
Oj, się poddali.
Fuck you, Bill.
Looks like they got everyone.
Ciężarny chyba nie będzie bił przynajmniej.
I've got a pretty clear shot on the one. Just a little bit to the left. You son of a bitch.
I don't know. Maybe we should go find Luke.
Fuck.
Got him.
Nie! I no nie Waltera! Kurwa!
Walt!
Oh my god.
That's for our man. Now, I didn't want to do this, but you ain't leaving me much choice. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna march another one of your friends out here, and I'm gonna put a bullet in the back of their head. Or you can give up now. It's your choice.
Motherfucker.
Kenny, over there.
Hi, Alvin.
Bill, no! Tell him to stop! Kenny, stop!
Alvin!
Damn. It's a tough shot. What do you think? Clem,
Kurwa. Dawaj.
the hell are you doing?
He'll kill him.
We can't just give up.
Kenny, he'll keep doing this.
Ej, ja chciałem
Think about
strzelać!
Sarita.
Ja chciałem wyrwać broń i zaszczelić
We're
go!
coming out.
Ja...
Let's go.
Where's Luke? Finally cut and run, huh? Why am I not surprised? I warned you. I warned you not to follow him. Look where he's led you.
Kurde, moi drodzy, przepraszam, że przerywam, ale gruby donate. Kurde, od Ferragasa 100. Pięknie dziękuję, Ferragas. Jutro grill, także zostanie spożytkowane. Moi drodzy, polecam ten styl życia.
But you're safe now. We're going home. As a family. All right, round them up. We're heading back to camp.
Wyszło, powiem wam tak, przeciętnie, nie? Przeciętnie, wczytaj. Nie, nie. Ja mówiłem, że ja nic nie będę wczytywał, że to tak po prostu... Tak będę grał, jak będzie szło.
Son of a bitch would have shot Walt no matter what we did. Well, I ain't going out like that. Not without a fight.
Yeah, I know. Folks are sore over what happened. But let's remember, these are our brothers and sisters, and they all have a vital role to play in this community. They strayed from the flock, yeah. That don't mean they can't earn their way back into the fold. I don't mean we can't find it in our hearts to forgive them, knowing full well those who choose not to accept our love will surely wish that they had. A storm is on the way.
No, także moi drodzy, byłem hipsterem. Fajnie, że nie przetłumaczyli, a tam też nie było. Tu byłem hipsterem i byłem hipsterem, że pozwoliłem Make Mind domyślić się Walterowi i tego nie dałem szczelić. Dobra, ja sobie tu zakończę odcinek na YouTube'a. Że dziękuję za uwagę, moi drodzy. Widzimy się w kolejnym... Gdzie tu jest to? Pyp.